Hi, my name is Phil and I work for a company called Sweco, and I'm going to talk to you very quickly about my job. We design wind farms, onshore wind farms, so not the ones that you would see out at sea, but the ones here on land. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what it is that I do. So what is involved in designing wind farms? Well, some other engineers will have selected a particularly windy spot for a wind farm, and from that point on we get involved and start looking at how we're actually going to build it. These places are usually on the sides or on the top of hills, so quite tricky to get everything that we need right up there. And we're talking about some of the biggest bits of apparatus in engineering. So wind turbines themselves, the blades can be up to 80 meters long, which is longer than the wingspan of a jumbo jet. And we're trying to get these things right up this hill. So they come on really, really long lorries, and they need to have the perfect route and road designed for them so that they can actually get up the sides of these hills. So that's part of what we do, is designing the tracks to get everything up to the top of the hill. Once everything is there, we need to make sure these wind turbines aren't going to fall down. So we build and design these huge steel and concrete foundations that get buried into the ground, so that these wind turbines can stay up, hopefully, and generate some energy for us. Now, it's no good if these turbines are generating all this energy if we can't actually take it to where we need it. So we have to connect up these big cables that run from each turbine. They're buried in the ground and then they connect into the national grid so that we can use them in our homes and our businesses. So that was building some tracks and some roads. It was designing and building these huge foundations to keep the turbines up, and then connecting those in with these cables into the national grid so that we can use them. That's a very, very quick overview of what my team does. And some of the things that I enjoy is that every wind farm has a different set of challenges that we need to work through. We get to work with lots of different teams, and that it's nice to know that our team, we are actually making a difference in the way that we source our energy. And so if we're going to keep moving together towards a sustainable future, we need more engineers. Maybe you will be one of them. Thanks very much.